In this video, I'm going to show you how to view interior in Revit. Now, there's going to be a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you one which I do think is the easiest. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is open a floor plan. As you can see here, I have a floor plan open inside one of the projects from Revit over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to select where I want to see the 3D view. So for this example, we're going to go over here at, for example, this section. Then you want to go to the View tab up top. You want to click on 3D View and you want to click on Camera. Now, whenever you do that, as you can see next to your mouse cursor, you'll see like a red camera. And this next step is the most crucial one. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on where you want to position yourself so to your point of view you will see when you are viewing the interior. So I'm going to click on over here because I want to stand around in the corner, okay? So I'm going to click. And then, of course, if I now go ahead and move my mouse, you'll see that it's going to show me like these three lines. This is basically the area I'll be able to view from that spot. So if I do it like this, I'll just be able to view like a small portion of this room. But if I go far out like this, I'll be able to see a lot of it, okay? So I'm just gonna go like this because I want to see about this much, and you want to click again. Now, when you click for the second time, it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and it's gonna give you a 3D view of the interior just like that. Now, by default, it's likely going to be like weird like this over here. You can't really make up what this is. So what you can do is go to the bottom, and over here where you can see this visual style, you want to click on it and switch over from wireframe to something like realistic or consistent colors or something else. Okay, so if I do realistic, wait for a few seconds for this to actually update, you'll see this is going to be much more clear, and there we go. This is just like a part of the interior I tried to view. Okay, so it's like basically a room. You can tell it's a room. There's some pipes up top and stuff like that. Now you could also do something else. You could do, for example, consistent colors, etc. And that's going to show you kind of the view as well, okay? Then if you want another view, you can just position yourself where you want. So if I go over here, for example, I'm going to go to View up top, and I'm going to go to 3D View again, click on Camera, and I'm going to go into this toilet here, for example, which I'm pretty sure that's a toilet. Maybe it may not be, but I'm just going to go in here. It's going to open up like this, and as you can see, you can then go to Realistic, and it's going to show you the interior view, okay? So that's one of the ways to do this, which I do think are the easiest. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.